Yes, now we'll continue with methods of calculation of goodwill. Your second method is weighted average profit method. This is a superior form of average method that अभी अपन ने जो पढ़ा उसका superior form है ये. In this method, formula total of product of what? Profit and weight upon total of weights. So first we will find out weighted average profit by using this formula, and hence formula for goodwill, value of goodwill, weighted average profit multiply number of year purchase. So I will explain this through an example. You are given a question, years 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, profit of respective years are given, and you are given weight. Weight means the year itself is its weight. 2014 is first year, its weight is 1. 2015 is second year, its weight is 2. 16 is third year, its weight is 3, and so on. Now we have to find out product. Product of what? Profit and weight. In a 35,000 multiply 1. Here 42,500 multiply 2. 48,000 multiply by 3. 54,500 multiply 4. And 60,000 multiply 5. It comes to 85,000. It comes to 1,34,000. Sorry, 144. 4 5s are 20, 2, 16, 17, 18, 1, 4 5s are 20 or 1, 21. 2,18,000, 6 5s are 30, 3 lakh. Total. So total of years weightage 5, 4, 9, 10 or 5, 15. So total of weight is 15, and total of product of profit and weight, so we'll add these all. Okay, I have missed one, first one. 35,000 manja 35,000. Now you add all these, whatever it comes, 3 to 5. So after adding this, we'll write here and divide it by 15, and whatever it comes, multiply number of year purchase. Suppose number of year purchase are given 2, will multiply by 2. Okay, so this is second method, weighted average profit method, which is a superior form of average profit. Third method is super profit method, which is very important. Every year one question comes out of it, on the basis of average super profit, for which you have to do all that which you already have done to find out normal profit, using formula capital employed multiply 100 upon rate of normal rate of return. Then you will have to find super profit by using formula the same, actual profit minus normal profit. For this I have already told you that these two formulae, and value of goodwill using same super profit multiply number of year purchase. Super profit, actual profit minus normal profit, and normal profit is capital employed multiply rate upon 100. So these formulas are given beforehand, all these three. Second, it also comes under super profit method, capitalization. By the method of capitalization, to find out value of goodwill, average actual profit multiply 100 upon normal rate of return minus total assets minus liabilities. In place of this, you can write capital invested, because what is the formula of capital? You already studied in 11th. Total assets minus total external liabilities is equal to internal liability, that is capital. So in place of this, you might be given capital invested in your question, so be aware of it. And second formula, to find out average, either you can use this one or this one also, amount of goodwill. If you are given super profit you can find out by using these two. First, find now normal profit, average profit is given in question, then find out super profit. So super profit multiply 100 upon normal rate of return. So either you can use this one or this one. And third, under this only super profit method. In super profit you have three methods. First, capitalization, second, super profit one, and third is annuity method. So under annuity method, the same super profit in place of number of year purchase. In place of number of year purchase, you have to write that value, present value of ₹1 by annuity method, which is given in question. ये भी आपको क्वेश्चन में मिलेगा कि प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ ₹1 बाय एन्युटी मेथड, व्हाट इज इट, ये कितना है, दैट यू विल फाइंड इन क्वेश्चन. सो ये तीनों मेथड, फर्स्ट ए, बी एंड सी, these three methods are under super profit method of finding value of goodwill. Okay, so this is the end of lesson number 3. So remember, 2 questions of 4 marks each every time, every year comes in board exam, to find value of goodwill and to find any of these profits. So learn these formulae well and practice its sums. Okay, thank you. This is the end of lesson number 3, reconstitution of partnership. Good luck. Thank you.